Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. For today's video, I have my Sunday wash day routine. Now, this is what I do every week when I want to wash my hair. This is my weekend routine. I'll call it my Sunday routine because I usually do this routine on Sundays, but if I have a busy weekend and I'm going to be either out Sunday or out Saturday, I make sure to do this whichever day, like I'm not busy. If I have a busy weekend, then I'll try to do it whenever I can throughout the week so that I can wash my hair. Does this happen every week? No. But this is my go-to routine where like, I know that the products are going to work for me. I know that the different, what do you call it, like different routines that I do, like the different things that I do to my hair, I know my hair is going to turn out the way that I want it to, and I will be set for the rest of the week until I co-wash my hair midweek. So yeah, if you guys like these kind of routines, definitely let me know by giving this video a thumbs up and subscribing down below if you're not already. I apologize for my voice. I'm still under the weather. That's why there wasn't a video on Wednesday. I literally sounded like Chucky from Rugrats. You guys wouldn't have been able to understand a word that I was saying in the video. So I had a video ready to go, but I couldn't do the voiceover for it because I literally sounded like a 5-year-old who had a stuffy nose. So yeah, I apologize for that, but new video on a Sunday. I'm going to maybe switch up my upload days. I don't know, I just feel like Wednesdays and Sundays are just like kind of becoming hard for me, which is very annoying. So I will let you guys know my new upload schedule probably in my next video. I just have to figure out a couple things with like work and everything like that. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I'm sorry for the long intro. Also, the results of the wash day routine. This is the results of the roller set. I washed my hair yesterday, and it's looking pretty good if I do say so myself, not gonna lie. I'm loving the straight hair. I feel like I haven't had my hair straight in so long. I've been doing braid outs. But anyway, like I said, sorry for the long intro. Let's go ahead and get right into the video. Alright guys, so getting started, I'm going ahead in with this VO5 conditioner. I just picked mine up from the dollar store or Walmart. They're really inexpensive, and this is what I use for my pre-poo. I have started using conditioner in my pre-poo instead of just using oils. I want to say almost like a year ago or so, or a lot of months back definitely. It's just so much easier to apply to your hair, and it doesn't cause the oil to really drip down your face as opposed to when you're just using oils. So I just go ahead and take some conditioner, and then I go ahead in and also apply some olive oil. Add some olive oil to the mixture. That squeezy bottle was just my hair density serum that I use, and also just a little bit of castor oil, and then I just go ahead and mix all of that up in my bowl. You can make this mixture and just like have it in like a squeeze bottle, and then you can just apply it to your hair that way, but I just like to do it each time. It just makes it a little bit easier for myself, and I'm just mixing this up with the back of my rat tail comb. Now I'm going ahead and just wetting my hair. I feel that this pre-poo applies way better when I have a little bit of damp hair, and as you guys can see, I did have a braid out previously on my hair. I don't like to detangle my hair while it's dry, so I just go ahead and apply this pre-poo onto my hair without detangling prior, and then once I rinse it out in the shower is when I detangle with my conditioner and stuff. So that way I cause the least amount of shedding and breakage. So as you guys can see, I just split my hair and start applying it almost like I would a relaxer, and just splitting my hair into smaller sections on each side. This is the same way that I apply my deep conditioner, and it just makes sure that each strand of my hair gets the products and gets really hydrated. So I'm just going to go ahead and let you guys watch me apply it on my head. I'm just going to show you guys one side and then going ahead and doing the other side off camera. once it's all applied, I just go ahead and tie it up into 2 little buns in the back, and then I just go ahead and apply a shower cap, and I let it sit for about an hour or so. I just go ahead, clean up around my house, make some lunch or breakfast whenever I'm doing this, and then I go ahead and start on my shampoo routine. I'm using the Jamaican black castor oil shampoo. This, as you guys know, is my favorite line ever from SHea Moisture, and just my favorite line in general. Here I'm just rinsing out the pre-poo. I don't do anything special. I usually actually do this routine in the shower, but I just wanted to be able to show you guys what I do on a regular basis, and I'm almost out of the shampoo, so I didn't have a lot, so I just, you know, did 2 washes this time. I felt like my hair only needed 2 washes, honestly. It didn't feel that dirty to me, so I'm just going ahead and massaging that into my scalp using the tips of my fingers, not my nails, to massage my scalp, because you don't want to scratch up your scalp. So I'm just going ahead and massaging that into my scalp, making sure to get the front of my head, the back of my head, as well as the middle, because sometimes we leave out sections of our hair. And as you guys can see here, I didn't feel like I had enough shampoo. My first shampoo, my hair never really lathers all that much, just because it's lifting up all of the dirt and oil from the week. So I'm just going ahead and washing my hair like so. I go ahead and rinse it all off camera, because you guys know how to rinse your hair. So I just went ahead and did that 2 times. Now I'm going in with my Aussie 3-Minute Miracle Moist. I need to pick some more of this up. I'm completely out. I threw away this bottle after this video, but this is my favorite conditioner when I just need my hair to act right and I just need my hair to look good for the week. This is my go-to conditioner when I just need my hair to be perfect. It just leaves my hair so soft, so moisturized. Sometimes I just use this without a deep conditioner, and my hair is good until I once again co-wash it midweek. So I just go ahead and put that on my hair. Like I said, I usually do this in the shower, so while I have this in my hair, I usually go ahead and like wash my body, shave, and do everything. And by the time I'm done with that, I just go ahead and rinse it out after I detangle. But because I was in the sink this time, I just let it sit for about 5-6 minutes, I would say. I just tied it up on the top of my head so that it wasn't in my face or anything like that. I'm sorry if you hear noise in the background. My dog is on the bed with me, and he's just, you know, having a field day, you know, doing things that he's not supposed to. So once that is all settled into my hair, like I said, I let it sit for maybe like 5-6 minutes, nothing crazy. I just go ahead and detangle with my detangling comb. Like I said, I'm usually doing this in the shower, so I run my head under the water a little bit just to get more moisture in my hair so that it's easy to detangle. But this conditioner makes it so easy to detangle my hair. It's amazing. So I just go ahead and use my detangling comb to do that. And once I'm all done detangling, this is as much hair as I lost, nothing crazy. So now I'm going ahead in and applying my deep conditioner. I went ahead and rinsed that all off camera because you guys know how to rinse out your hair. I'm eating some Doritos because I got hungry while filming this video. And this is a wash day routine, guys. Like, this takes all day. When somebody says, oh, come out after you wash your hair, like, no, I will be doing my hair until 7 p.m. Okay? Okay. So as you guys can see, I'm just going ahead and using my wet brush and detangling my hair. It's so easy to detangle because we use that Aussie 3-Minute Miracle, and it just makes my hair so smooth and so hydrated and so easy to detangle. I just love that conditioner so much. I do this before I apply my deep conditioner. That way my deep conditioner goes in really smoothly and I don't have to worry about detangling it while the deep conditioner is in. I usually detangle my hair after the deep conditioner has been put in and I've kind of rinsed it out. It just makes everything easier. So here I'm just re-dampening my hair because I am going in with the deep conditioner, like I said, and I want my hair to be super wet because I like to use the deep conditioner that I'm using when my hair is super wet. I just feel like it absorbs better. I'm using the Camille Rose Naturals Deep Algae and Mango Butter, I believe is the name. I'll have all the products that I used listed down below for you guys, of course. So I just apply this the same way I did my pre-poo, splitting my hair in half and then applying it to individual sections. I really love this deep conditioner because it just gives my hair the right amount of strength as well as moisture. My hair doesn't feel super duper, strong and, healthy, but not moisturized. It feels like it's the perfect balance of the two. So here I'm just making sure that all of the deep conditioner is spread out throughout my hair. Because my hair was super detangled, I decided to do this today. Usually I don't do this if my hair is feeling a little bit more knotted and not as, detangled throughout the wash day process. You have to listen to your hair. Make sure that you're not using the same routine every single time because your hair changes, your hair needs changes. Sometimes you need protein, sometimes you need moisture. You have to listen to your hair. In this case, I felt like my hair was pretty balanced between the two. I didn't necessarily need a lot of protein or need a lot of moisture, so I found that using this deep conditioner was perfect for this week. So like I said, I'm going ahead and just making sure that all of the deep conditioner is throughout all the strands on my hair, and I'm just going ahead and doing that throughout my whole head. And once I put it on my whole head, I make sure that I just massage it through the ends of my hair, apply a little bit more on the ends as well. And just like with my pre-poo, I go ahead and wrap it up into a little bun so that I can apply my shower cap and everything like that and let it sit for a little bit. So I'm just using a clip to hold this up, and like always, I'm doing the other side. And I'm just showing you guys this section, how I apply the conditioner to my hair, just making sure to work it through all the sections. As I'm doing this, I'm also finger detangling my hair, because sometimes when my hair is tied up on the other side, it dries out, it can get a little bit tangled. So finger detangling definitely helps with the shedding as well as the breakage problem. So once that is all done, I go ahead and make sure to comb all my hair back. I just find that doing this makes sure that all of my hair is getting the proper moisture and the proper deep conditioning capabilities. So I'm once again just tying my hair up like so and putting a clip so that I can put on my shower cap. But before that, I definitely apply a little bit more conditioner to my edges, making sure that they get really extra moisturized. And if you guys didn't know, the crown of my head, like the top of my head, gets really dry throughout the week, so I just apply a little bit extra deep conditioner there as well to make sure that everything is hydrated. And don't forget your nape, because your nape often rubs against your clothes, your scarves, your hats, and everything like that, and it can sometimes be neglected. So make sure to apply it to the back of your nape and everything like that. So now I'm going ahead and just applying a little more on my edges. You can never apply too much to your edges, because if you don't take care of your edges, nobody will, okay? So I'm just going ahead and doing that, and then putting on my shower cap and letting that sit for about 20 minutes or so, 20 to 25 minutes. I don't know what I was looking at here. Oh, I was looking at how long. So once that is all rinsed out, I'm going ahead and doing a roller set today. I love doing roller sets, guys. I sit under my bonnet dryer for about an hour and a half, I would say, while doing this. But I just wanted to show you guys the products that I used beforehand. So I go in with my favorite leave-in conditioner spray, which you guys know is the Creme of Nature Argan Oil Spray. I've been using this for years now. I just love the way it makes my hair feel. It doesn't feel like it's sitting on top of my hair, and it just helps my hair detangle, and it adds so much health and shine to my hair. I absolutely love it. And I'm just going ahead and brushing that through my hair. Here I'm using the Garnier Fructis Curl Cream. This is the air dry cream from them. I really love the way this smells, and it is so moisturizing for my hair. I usually use the Garnier Fructis Sleek and Shine, but they didn't have that, so I thought I would just give this a try, and it is so good, guys. It's amazing. I love it for my hair. It will definitely be in an updated favorite leave-in conditioners. If you guys would like to see that, definitely let me know my favorite leave-in conditioners. So I'm just applying that to the ends of my hair, and then I'm using this Sleek and Shine shine polisher. I only use this when I'm going to be sitting under the dryer, because it just adds so much shine to my hair while it's drying, and it's also a heat protectant. And although I don't I'm not putting like direct heat like right on my hair, I do like to use a heat protectant because the dryer is heat. Although I just use it on the medium setting, it's still, you know, heat on your hair. So I just go ahead and section my hair off and apply my rollers. I set my rollers forward. I just find that it makes my hair drying process a little bit faster, because my hair takes forever to dry, guys, forever. So my hairstylist actually sets my hair forward, and it just makes my hair dry so much faster. So I just go ahead, comb out my hair and everything, and with the leave-in conditioners and the oil that I use, it makes my hair so soft and so easy to go through, and it's just really relaxing process. I found I really like setting my hair. So as you guys can see, I'm setting my rollers forward. If you do it back, that's totally fine. There's no like right or wrong way to set your rollers. Like I said, it's just easier for me to set mine forward because it makes my hair dry a lot faster. So I'm just going ahead and doing the same thing on this section. I just wanted to show you guys how I roller set my hair, and I do roll forward on all of the rollers, all around my head. I don't roll any back. It's just personal preference. It's totally up to you guys. But yeah, once I do this roll, we're just gonna go ahead and I will let you guys watch me roller set my hair. Alrighty guys, this is pretty much how I roller set my hair, and I literally just sit under the blow dryer for about an hour and a half or so, I want to say, and I just, once I'm done with that and my hair is completely dry, I go ahead and just wrap my hair up for the night. I no longer straighten my hair after I roller set my hair. I think I did that in my last like full wash day routine or whatever. Now I just go ahead and wrap it, and in the morning let it down, and it is so flowy, so nice, so hydrated, and so moisturized, and just like minimal heat, because it's not like direct heat from the blow dryer. I mean, like, whatever you say, whatever. But yeah guys, I really hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up before you leave. Make sure to subscribe to my channel as well if you haven't already. And yeah, I think that's all I have to say. Thank you all so much for watching my Sunday wash day routine. If you guys would like more videos like this, like my co-wash routine and everything like that, like my midweek wash day routine and stuff like that, definitely let me know down below if you have any requests, and I will talk to you in my next one very soon. Love you girls. Mwah. Bye.